What you are about to witness is not just a repair. It is the resurrection of a forgotten purpose. Buried beneath layers of rust lies an astonishing secret. A mission that will challenge everything you believe is possible. And it all begins with a single, determined pair of hands. The first step, dismantling the old to make way for the new. To bring this machine back, its very heart must be disconnected. Every component is a piece of a much larger puzzle. The journey is long, fueled by little more than raw determination. With the heart carefully returned, a spark of hope is ignited. Now, the intricate work of reconnecting its nervous system begins. Hidden deep within the engine, secrets of past neglect are uncovered. Each screw turned is a step closer to its revival. Underneath it all, the vehicle's weary soul is inspected. The complex web of wires holds the key to its future. A delicate touch is required to mend the frayed connections. Patience and precision are the only tools that matter here. The process is painstaking, a testament to unwavering focus. One by one, the pathways of power are restored. A silent conversation between woman and machine. The old, tired engine, once silent, now holds the promise of a new roar. The work is far from over. The machine's shell is stripped away. Under the harsh sun, the true extent of the decay is revealed. Every piece is carefully deconstructed, a necessary destruction. Hands, stained by labor, gently erase the remnants of the past. Even the smallest parts are removed, leaving nothing untouched. From the vehicle's core, a heavy burden is carried away. In the workshop, the transformative phase begins. Raw steel is shaped, cut with purpose and precision. The rough edges are ground down, preparing for a powerful fusion. Each piece is meticulously prepared for the coming transformation. Through a shower of sparks, a new skeleton is forged. Fire and force combine, breathing strength into the metal. The structure takes shape, a framework of pure resilience. Each weld is inspected, ensuring the foundation is flawless. The final bonds are sealed, completing the new form. The newly formed joints are smooth, a perfect finish. A final, careful check of the masterpiece. The debris of creation is brushed away, revealing the new structure. A moment of pride as the finished frame stands ready. The new backbone is carefully united with the old truck. A new frame stands ready, a promise of strength and renewal. The newly forged structure is integrated into the vehicle's body. With gloved hands, she secures the foundation, bolt by bolt. From beneath, the final adjustments are made to the new chassis. With incredible strength, she lifts the heavy metal plates into place. The sparks of creation fly once more, bonding metal to metal. Each weld is a stitch, mending the ruins of time. Out on the open road, the work continues, undeterred. Back in the workshop, the final pieces are fused together. The process is intense, a dance of fire and focus. The brilliant flash of the welder signifies profound change. Now, the old, damaged skin must be stripped away. The grinder exposes the raw surface beneath the decay. Sparks fly as the last vestiges of the old body are removed. The surface is washed, cleansed of the dust of its past. The rust is scrubbed away, preparing for a fresh start. A final rinse washes away the grime of years gone by. A special compound is mixed, a balm for the vehicle's scars. The filler is applied, smoothing over the imperfections. Carefully, the front is reshaped, erasing the signs of damage. With focused determination, she begins to heal the vehicle's skin. Every scratch and dent is carefully attended to, preparing for renewal. The truck is thoroughly cleansed, washing away the dust of its former life. Now clean, it waits patiently for the next stage of its transformation. The windows are masked, a careful preparation for the final coat. The chosen color awaits, a symbol of its new identity. With a steady hand, the first layer of paint is applied. The truck's new skin begins to emerge, sleek and uniform. Even the hardest to reach places receive a flawless coat. Meticulous care is taken to ensure every inch is perfect. A final pass to guarantee a perfect, uniform finish. But the mission suddenly changes, an emergency calls. Deep in the woods, a vital piece of machinery has fallen. A rescue operation begins, a race against time and nature. The fallen tractor is recovered, brought back to the sanctuary of the workshop. The familiar work begins again, this time with a new sense of urgency. Lifeblood is poured back into the rescued machine. She inspects the engine, searching for the source of its failure. Her expertise is put to the test on this different kind of beast. With the repairs complete, she stands back, satisfied with her work. Another machine in need of her skills, an old tractor, silent and still. The engine's lungs are inspected, clogged with the dust of disuse. Her hands navigate the complex, greasy heart of the machine. With practiced ease, she loosens the bolts that hold it together. Each tiny component is carefully removed and cleansed. Years of grime are wiped away, revealing the potential beneath. A single metal ring, a small but vital part of the whole. The fuel lines are checked, ensuring the lifeblood can flow once more. On a simple piece of cardboard, the intricate reassembly begins. Every piece is tightened with precision and care. She holds a small part, contemplating its place in the grand design. Each turn of the wrench is a step towards resurrection. The clean components are carefully returned to the engine block. The complex puzzle of the engine is pieced back together. Her movements are sure and steady, born of experience. The machine is slowly, carefully being made whole again. Another piece clicks into place, bringing the engine closer to life. The reassembly is almost complete. A turn of the key, and a triumphant moment, the engine roars back to life. Her work is never done, the weight of her community on her shoulders. On a quiet rural road, another journey begins with a breakdown. Inside, the worn interior tells a story of countless miles traveled. Beneath the hood, the familiar, intricate challenge of a dead engine. She begins the meticulous process of diagnosis and disassembly. Each part is cleaned, a ritual of respect for the machine. A clean workspace is prepared for the delicate operation. Deep within the engine, a stubborn component is carefully removed. Her skill and grace make the difficult work look effortless. Teamwork makes the intricate repairs move more swiftly. They inspect the battery housing, a place where corrosion often hides. The cooling system is examined, vital to the engine's health. With precision, a repaired part is carefully reinstalled. Even the interior is stripped down, part of a total overhaul. And as one vehicle is reborn, another challenge appears on the horizon. Caked in mud, this van is a daunting new project. The cleanup begins, a formidable task in itself. The doors are thrown open, revealing the scale of the work ahead. Fresh tires arrive, a sign of the coming restoration. The old, worn-out wheels are removed one by one. Caked in mud, this vehicle presents a new, formidable challenge. She searches for the right tool, ready to begin the arduous task. With all her strength, she raises the vehicle, preparing for surgery. Modern tools help speed up the disassembly process. The new wheel is secured, a small victory in a long battle. Under the hood, years of decay are stripped away. A moment's rest and a sip of water provide fuel to carry on. She removes the heavy battery, the vehicle's silent heart. A partner inspects the spark plugs, a key to ignition. The interior is gutted, preparing for a complete rebuild. The engine's core components are carefully examined. The camshaft is checked for wear and tear. Her own hands dive back into the complex machinery. No detail is too small, no part left uninspected. She works to clear the mud, trying to see the path forward. The engine overhaul continues with intense focus. She is a master of her craft, navigating the engine with ease. The mechanical ballet of repair is a sight to behold. A successful test drive marks the completion of another revival. But in this land, the work of a rescuer is never truly done. Deep in a remote jungle, another machine is stranded. She assesses the situation, planning her next mechanical miracle. The tractor's engine is old and damaged by the water. Wading through the stream, she begins the delicate repair work. She manages to move it from the water's grasp. With a steady hand, she tightens a crucial screw. After the repairs, she gives it a final, thorough inspection. The smallest parts are cleaned with a chemical solution. Every component must be pristine before reassembly. The tiny, clean parts are carefully put back together. The rebuilt component is returned to its place in the engine. Fresh fluid is added, bringing nourishment to the repaired machine. The moment of truth, she turns the key, it starts. Triumphantly, she drives the resurrected tractor from the stream. Her tools are packed away, another successful rescue complete. But her journey continues, carrying her load toward the next crisis. A truck, hopelessly stuck, is the next seemingly impossible task. She surveys the scene, her mind already working on a solution. With her tools and ingenuity, she begins the extraction. Her determination is unwavering, even against the thick mud. Stranded in a flooded field, a white van awaits its own savior. The vehicle is stripped down, its mud-caked windows carefully removed. The clean glass is laid out, a stark contrast to the dirty van. A high-pressure hose blasts away the layers of dirt and grime. She works systematically, revealing the clean surface beneath. The transformation from muddy relic to clean machine is underway. Even the most stubborn patches of mud are no match for her diligence. The windows, once opaque with dirt, are blasted clean. Inside the garage, the now clean van is ready for its mechanical revival. She opens the hood to confront the old, tired engine. The battery is disconnected, the first step in a complex operation. The engine, though dirty, appears to have a solid core. With familiar expertise, she begins to dismantle the engine parts. A cleaning spray dissolves the grease and grime of years past. The entire engine is deconstructed, piece by piece. Her hands meticulously clean every single component. The reassembly process begins, a careful and precise dance. Each part is returned to its rightful place. Her hands work with a surgeon's precision. The final bolts are tightened, completing the engine rebuild. The focus shifts to the body, grinding away scars and imperfections. She moves around the vehicle, her work both methodical and graceful. Every trace of rust and damage must be erased. After grinding, the surface is wiped clean, ready for the next step. Even the headlight housing receives her meticulous attention. The rear bumper is clean and prepped for body filler. With a putty knife, she begins to smooth over the vehicle's wounds. This delicate process reshapes the damaged areas. The cured filler is sanded down to create a perfectly smooth surface. This painstaking work ensures a flawless final appearance. She sands and smooths, obsessed with perfection. The windows are carefully masked in preparation for painting. Every edge is taped off with precision. This prep work is critical for a professional result. The van is almost ready for its new coat. A roll of yellow tape, a simple tool for a precise job. A can of blue paint, a promise of transformation. The first coat is applied with a steady, sweeping motion. The vehicle's new identity begins to emerge from the mist of paint. A look of satisfaction as the final coat is applied. With a spray gun, she lays down a perfect, even coat of new paint. The entire vehicle is transformed, its past erased by the gray primer. The fine mist of the paint creates an almost ethereal scene. In the garage, the front end receives its final, flawless coat. Meanwhile, the wheels are given a new, bold identity of their own. The sleek black paint covers the old, rusted metal. The protective masking is carefully peeled away, revealing the crisp lines. A quick blur of motion as the final touches are applied. The van, now painted a brilliant white, is almost complete. And now, the final, crucial step, its new purpose is unveiled. She carefully applies the letters, spelling out a message of hope. Reborn from ruin, its astonishing mission is finally revealed, a lifeline, free for all. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at The Mechanical Girl for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.